small, ring big. The world of diecast is fast exploding. Find what interests you. Each diecast is a story waiting to be told. Diecast collectibles are an investment in memories. The greatest joy in collecting diecast is finding rare and unique models. Don't be afraid to show off your collection. Diecast teaches us about patience, perseverance, and appreciation for detail. Collecting diecast is a fun and rewarding hobby. The most important thing is to